Welcome sa Craft Beer Sanctuary here in Tagaytay. It's located in Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Dadaanan niyo siya if you're coming from Calax, Esle Calax, going to Tagaytay. So it's similar to Baguio Brewery. Meron din tayo dito sa Tagaytay. They brew their own beer. And ngayon, I'm trying the San Mig Light version nila, which is 330 ml. Ganito kalaking baso. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it tastes good. Cheers!
Di kaya talagang pag Tuesday, medyo patay na araw, kaya sarado.